Alright guys, we're here at Gyu-Kaku, new joint that opened up. It's Japanese BBQ. And then I think we're gonna do the premium meat lovers. Oh, we're going for the premium, you better believe it. So what do we get with the premium? Salad, fried chicken. Oh, we get fried chicken, the Corgi with it. And the bibimbap. Yeah, $80, $40 each. That's what we get right here. We gonna get everything. So yeah, this is our first time being here. So yeah, we're gonna order the food and we'll be back. This is the salad we get, starters. What is this called? The soba salad?
Their signature.
Oh, signature salad. You want to mix it? Yeah. Get one egg. Some cubes. Let me taste this out. Itadakimasu. Basic salad. It's got eggy mayonnaise dressing on it. I think it's peanut sauce. It's pretty good. Yeah. Nice starter. Palate cleanser. Now we got some, what is this? Just typical miso soup, right? Pretty good. Here we got the karage, crispy karage. So we finished the salad and the miso soup, which I gotta say is pretty good. Off to a good start. Now we got the karage here. Let's taste it. All right. Yeah. Pretty good. Kind of standard karage. The sauce is, I think, like a miso sriracha aioli. She just turned on the stove and she brushed some olive oil on it. So guys, we got the food, most of the food for the first course. We got the bibimbap here. We got, what is this, a short rib? And then the steak. So let's get it cooked in here. So in the middle. Ooh, look at that sizzle. Get a close-up of that, babe. She said it cooks real fast, so. Our server said that. So we're just waiting for it to sizzle. Hey, I thought you said you could put any on. I think Melissa's a bit hangry right now, so I'm trying to work with her right now. So I'm gonna flip it. Flip this as well. And then, you know, to kill the germs, just flip the thing here. Because you just touch raw meat, right? Okay, I like that. It's rare, right? Ooh, look at the drip. I'm gonna dip it in the sweet soy. Here we go. The skirt steak, it's really tender. It goes great with the sweet soy. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna grab some of the bibimbap now. There we go. Press it down for now. Here's the bibimbap. That's delicious. They got some of the fat ends of the meat in there, and it's good sauce in there. Not too spicy, not too hot. The rice is al dente. We're gonna leave it to crisp it up for a while. What is this? Just the steak, I guess. I'm gonna dip it in the spicy this time. I'm doing it. Whoa. There's some tender meat there. Guys. This may not look it, but this is some premium meat right here. It's very tender. It's like butter. Now see what all the YouTubers say when they say it's like butter? This just melts in your mouth. Holy fuck. No joke, guys. No joke. Thank you. Alright guys, so we have the stirred steak here. I'm gonna put one of these on. There we go. And then we got the New York sirloin here. Check that out. Look at the marbling on that. Or look at the color on that. Let's pop that on. This side smells broccoli. And then the chicken. Let's put this off on its own. Ooh, look at this one. So this one was the sirloin. So I'm gonna dip it in the sweet soy. Guys, this is premium beef right here. You can't get over the fact that it's so tender. I'll actually attack this one. This one's a New York sirloin, or New York strip. Dip it in some of the sweet soy again. My favorite, the sweet soy. I got some of the fat cap on that. It's like butter. I didn't even need to like chew on it. I bite through it with just my teeth. Oh my god. Guys. And we got the pesto chicken here. I don't think that's done yet. This one's ready. Okay. So you guys seen this one before? Sweet soy, my favorite. When you let it crisp up, that's when it's good. Those little burnt ends. Corn in here. Put it on the side there. That's what she said. And then I want to try my pesto chicken.
Yeah, there's a good tinge to it.
Shit. Pretzel flavor's good on it. So opening it right now, the corn, butter in there. Oh, yeah. So here's some corn. Alright guys, we got the last few bites here. I have to say, all this stuff was amazing. The meat's super tender, super premium. But yeah, last couple bites here. Super tender, super premium. I haven't had good meat like this since I've been in Toronto. I'm Edmonton. Alright guys, we got the ice cream here. This looks actually pretty good. Got some crumbles, got some brown sugar on there. The brown sugar to cap off a very good meal. I'd say excellent meal. Again guys, if you're looking for a place to come, Gyu-Kaku, Edmonton Alberta, downtown, peep it. Got a good maple flavor to it. It's a good cap off. Have some cameraman. spot just opened up. It's pretty new. And I gotta say, service was on point, and where the food was all premium. But if you want some good Japanese barbecue, come here to Gyu-Kaku in Edmonton, Alberta, downtown. Here at Gyu-Kaku, you know, it's premium meat. I'll give it 4 thumbs up from us. Alright guys, if you like that video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Hit that bell notification for updates. I'm sweating.